Unveiling Skyline builders in Dubai, the land of dreams. Avant Garde Residences, strategically located in the heart of Jumeirah Village Circle, in a community that is buzzing with life and luxury. Avant Garde boasts of a timeless design envisioned with impeccable detailing. Offering homes in studio, 1-bedroom and 2 bedrooms, crafted with elegance in every corner. With lifestyle features and amenities that reflect an ambiance that is true to life in Dubai. Experience the commencement of a remarkable journey towards a refined lifestyle. Avant Garde Residences by Skyline. The address says it all.